Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable Incognito Mode on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble and logged into my account. In case you have not, log in right now. I'm gonna open up Bumble right now. And guys, this is Bumble. Right now, what we want to do is simply enable Incognito Mode. Let's simply go to our profile. The button's right here at the bottom left. I'm simply gonna click on it. And right here guys is the profile section. If I click on this profile picture right here, then I'll go to my profile settings. But right now, I simply want to hover over to settings. At the top right, here is a gear-like icon. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then something like this will open up. As you can see, there are different settings here like choose mode, date modes and everything. But right here, what we want to do is enable Incognito Mode. Here's the button right here. I'm simply gonna toggle it on. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply click on Turn on Incognito Mode. Guys, do note that this is a Bumble Premium feature. You cannot enable Incognito Mode unless you have subscribed to Bumble Premium. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable Incognito Mode on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.